Today, we'll explore the difference between the verbs бежать and бегать. Both verbs relate to the action of running, but they have distinct meanings and uses. Let's dive in. Бежать is an imperfective verb that means to run or to be running in a specific direction or towards a particular destination. It's often used when describing a single instance of running. Let's look at the conjugation of бежать. Я бегу, ты бежишь, он, она бежит, мы бежим, вы бежите, они бегут. Let's review some examples. Я бегу в школу. I'm running to school. Here, бегу implies that the person is running towards a specific destination. Он бежит за автобусом. He is running after the bus. Indicates running in a specific direction to catch the bus. Мы бежим на работу. We are running to work. Shows that the action is directed towards getting to work. Они бегут к реке. They are running to the river. The running has a specific destination, the river. Бегать, on the other hand, is also an imperfective verb, but it means to run regularly, habitually, or in various directions. It's used when talking about running as a repeated action or without a specific direction. Here is the conjugation of бегать. Я бегаю, ты бегаешь, он, она бегает, мы бегаем, вы бегаете, они бегают. Let's review some examples. Я бегаю каждое утро. I run every morning. Бегаю indicates a habitual action without a specific destination. Ты часто бегаешь в парке. You often run in the park. Regular action of running in various directions within the park. Она любит бегать по вечерам. She likes to run in the evenings. Running regularly without a specific route. Мы бегаем по стадиону. We run around the stadium. Continuous action of running in various directions around the stadium. Now let's compare the two verbs within a simple example. Они бегут домой. They are running home. The running has a specific destination. Therefore, we use the verb бежать. Они бегают вокруг дома. They run around the house. Regular running in different direction around the house. Therefore, we use the verb бегать. So remember, we use бежать when talking about running in a specific direction or towards a particular destination. We use бегать when referring to running regularly, habitually, or in various directions. I hope this video helps clarify the difference between these two verbs. Thanks for watching and happy learning!